Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to make GIF on Canva. First thing you do is you design your GIF according to your needs and preference using the different elements from Canva. In here, I have prepared a logo of Platform Mastery. We will add effects to this logo. You can add different effects in each element. You can also select all the elements and click on Animate. Choose here on the available animations. To download this as a GIF file, click on Share, select GIF on the file type, and click on Done. And you have your logo in GIF file type. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!